This farm has installed Autobackwash of gravel filter, and also what you see right behind me is the overhead tank from where the irrigation takes place, and we've installed ultrasonic sensors on top of it to maintain a certain level of water in the tank. So when the water level goes below a threshold, the borewell automatically turns on and pumps water into this, and maybe you can hear the water pumping sound. The water is now filling into the tank. So when it reaches a threshold, the pump will automatically stop and maintain a certain level of water all the time. When you do farming, just like any other business, it has to give you revenue, it has to give you profit, and it has to give you more profit. Otherwise, it becomes an unviable business proposition. How do you do that? Especially in coconut farms, the coconut themselves are not really high revenue generators, not a very profitable crop. But thankfully, coconut spacing is such that it gives you an opportunity to actually go with a lot of different types of intercropping, depending on where you are, depending on the microclimatic condition of your farm. You can choose the right intercropping, and there are thankfully again a lot of shade-loving crops which can be very good option for intercropping within coconut farms. So, but again, like I said before, just by intercropping, you're not going to really increase the revenue and profit. You will probably end up increasing the cost because the cost of intercropping may also be quite high. That is where Grotron comes in handy to perform precision farming. Precision farming is a key to actually achieve the maximum yield, maximum revenue, and the maximum profit, which is where Grotron helps. And I hope the information that we shared in this video was helpful to you and maybe helpful to some of your friends. And if you think so, please do share this video with your friends. And if you would like to get notified for the future videos, please do subscribe. And until we meet again in another video, see you, Benjamin.